I am just outside of the Villages. It's as close as you could possibly get to the Villages without the big price tag. So this is 5105 Jared's Landing Way. I am in Lakeside Landing, which is a beautiful community, just a short cart ride with a street legal cart outside of the community. Spa pool on the lake, big, beautiful bird cage. This is 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, or 3 bedrooms and a den, because they're using that 3rd bedroom as an office. There's no closet. Beautiful space. We've got quartz countertops, big, huge garage, big, tall garage. You can fit everything you could possibly think of in there, all for $579,000. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in the Villages, Florida. And again, but I am outside at Lakeside Landing, and this is the enclave section. So if you follow my channel, I just had another home on Sandpiper that we are under contract with. So they referred me, and here I am. Look at that peaceful space. And this all could be yours. Let's go on in and take a look around. And this is Sumter County taxes, so there's no additional Wildwood tax. Of course, this section doesn't have a bond. They do have an HOA, but the HOA trims the grass, trims the hedges, and it pays for the irrigation water. So there is some value there that you have to pay for when you live across the street. So let's go on in and take a look around. All right, first we're gonna start outside. Now this is block and stucco construction. Paver driveway, which they actually extended the driveway. So they have more, you can park 4 cars in this garage. I mean on the driveway, but look at that. That is 21 feet. Now it's 21 feet from the front wall without the cabinets to the usable space that you could park a truck, because you know, I got all kinds of people. I got this big truck and that big truck, and it'll fit in here. And they put the HVAC unit in the garage up there, which is genius because they don't take up the space inside of the home. Nice landscaping, well-maintained yard. I do love the pavers, of course I do, because I put those in my home. Again, this is, I'm gonna call it 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom. This is a den space, the 4th. It does not have a closet. But we can call it a bedroom here now. We just have to indicate there's no closet. And I showed you on the map earlier exactly where this home is in Lakeside Landing. They have a Larson storm door, the screen, and they're like me, they like a lot of fresh air. Beautiful, huge front door. I'm gonna show you from the back. Tile floor, you have your entranceway, and look how high that is. It's like 15 feet. The furniture is not included, and it is not available for sale because they have purchased another home and they are going to take it with them. So split floor plan. To the immediate right of the front door, we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, and of course we have the pocket door so you can make it private. And these all have tall ceilings, all knocked down. There's no popcorn here. These homes were built. I'm gonna put all of that information down below so you can follow along. Carpet in these bedrooms, which, I mean, I don't have a problem with carpet in the bedroom because it just makes it quiet. But big closet. Again, you know, I talk about organization. If you organize the closets, and like I showed you, just take a quick snapshot of my garage. If you organize your garage, you pick up a lot of space. Garage Designs did mine. And again, if you mention my name, if you chose to use them, you get 5% discount on your project. How about that? White cabinets. And these are quartz countertops. Separate, well, the water closet is separate from the wash basin. This tub shower. tile, and that's cast iron. That's not plastic. That's not an insert. And it's low. So, you know, as you get older, you have a little hard time climbing over there. This section, the enclave, is not over 55. This is an open family community, so anyone can live here. Beautiful bay window, nice, bright, cheery bedroom. You can see this is large, and that still has a high ceiling, and this bump out really makes the home, or this room, feel spacious. You know, you have whatever, kids in school, you want to use this, you could put a bed and a desk here. It could be their own little private space. House closet. And look at this beautiful living space. Look how large, open, area, big, huge windows. They have wood cornices and crown molding. You have a tray ceiling. I love the fan. But just look at the view. You walk in and it is just park-like. To the left here, they use this as an office. They both work from home. There's no closet, but we still can call this a bedroom, and it still has high ceilings and crown molding. Take a look around the kitchen. The same countertops that they have here, that they have in the bathrooms. I'm gonna go do an in-depth in the kitchen, but I still just want you to take a look around this living space, just how beautiful and accommodating it is. Imagine, I sat out there with them and we talked about listing the home one Sunday afternoon. It was so peaceful. Okay. Under counter lights. Double sink. I saw this backsplash when I was looking for mine. I didn't pick a granite that would match that, but I thought it was pretty. But you got tall cabinets. You have a lot of storage area in this kitchen. Electric range. These homes have an interior laundry, so you walk in from the garage, which they have another storm door. More storage in here, and then you have a pantry catch-all. There's no excuse to not have a place to put your things. The floor is consistent throughout the entire home, except for the bedrooms. The bedrooms do have carpet. And my cheat sheet notes here. This home is 2,340 square feet. Wait till we go outside. Now they upgraded, they did all of that work outside because they bought this home new. And these are a 2017 build. This is the primary. And I love her colors because you know, if you watch my channel, I love purple. Dual closets on either side. There's plenty of room in there. Again, organization, organization, organization. If you have too many things and it won't fit, then just have someone in here and add some closet space to it. Room and shower, no glass, people. No more washing the glass on the shower. And separate toilet. Big space in here. And then there's a window so it's bright. Still, we have more crown molding, and they put over the lights. Mirror after every woman's heart. Look at that. You can sit down and put your makeup on, blow your hair dry. Dual vanities, or dual sinks. And then you have linen closet. Nice big bathroom. All right. All right, now let's go outside. So this whole area is 24 feet. You could actually put a pool in here. If obviously you'd have to dig that up, but you could put a 12 by 24 pool if you were so inclined. Now you can, what's nice here, you have best of both worlds. You can sit outside under cover, and then they've thought of everything. So this is a sunscreen. So you could still sit out here. You can see where it's blocking some of the sun, and the straight sun is out there by the spa pool. This is a beautifully big, gorgeous, quiet, spa-like space. This community does have its own resort-style pool. They have pickleball courts. Lake Miona over there, there's a dock that you can use as a resident. I don't know, they're home, but what do you think if I got in the hot tub? That's what my feet. Ah, that feels good. All right, one last look around out here. Yeah, I tell you, the house is gorgeous. Beautiful inside, lots of space. And really, I gotta tell you, they have a big pool over there. This is all you need at your house. Just a little dipping pool to get in, cool off. But, you know, it's all you need, seriously. So, if you wanna make them an offer, they can't refuse. You know who you have to call. I'm your girl. My name is Robyn Cavallaro. I am a realtor in Central Florida. This home is in Lakeside Landing, which is a short hop, skip, jump, ride, walk, whatever, over to the villages where you can use the town squares, enjoy dinner, all the shopping that's here at the fraction of the cost. Because this is $579. Swear to God, if you watch me in the villages, no joke, this home would be about $800,000. No, I'm not joking. It's serious. All right, everyone, thanks for watching, and hey, you should stick around and check out this video. And if you're looking to buy a home, I want you to start searching on my website, because you can search by area, location. I can follow along with you and get my book on Amazon, so you know what to expect when you're moving to the villages. All right, again, I am in Lakeside Landing, the Enclave section. This can be yours, $579. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.